Hello, I'm Palak Surana. So I was, eagerly waiting for this session because I knew that it will be impactful by reading your emails and everything, and especially Krishna's and yours.
Mm-hmm.
And the best thing that I liked about this whole session was that the dreaming big. We always fear to dream big, but then the way that you displayed everything, that was really nice, and that literally motivated me to dream big because there will be people who do not believe in us, but then after reading your this session, I
Mm.
literally, had the confidence that I can dream big and others can too.
Fantastic. Amazing.
It was a great session, sir.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Mike Metz, can unmute yourself.
Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a life-changing talk today. I've been following you for a few months. The good thing I liked is your honesty and simplicity in your video. The flow on the video was really good, and the slides were at par, running with the concepts you were talking about. And it seems like you have given the gist of your own life, the things you have done in last 10, 15 years, and how you self-taught yourself, learned from the books and other master
Mm.
classes you might have attended in the past, and you try to give the whole summary in just 2 hours. It's amazing how you briefed everything, and it shows the kind of work you're doing, and it's amazing. I want to rewind this thing again and again, and looking forward
Fantastic.
for the books there. Good
Fantastic.
luck with that.
Mm.
Salute to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a
Yeah.
lot. Yeah. Can mute yourself. So yeah, Neha, you can go. You have to unmute yourself.
Yeah, good. Am I audible to you?
Yeah, you're audible.
Uh, uh, Good evening, sir. This is Neha from Mohali. Actually, to start with digital marketing, I was not having a little idea about it. But yes, I spoke to n number of people to get to a conclusion that who should be my master and who should be my mentor on that. So I spoke to, I would say, n number of people, and then I'm really thankful to God that I've got you. Thank you so much. A lot of respect to you, because I started with signing up with free videos initially, and then I made up my mind that I'm mother of a two. I'm mother of two kids actually. I'm now 40 years old, so I wanted to get that feeling that I should do it now and then take it to a level wherein I can see myself to a level. Yes, I am something in the family, and yes, I'm able to deliver the financial and you know mental support to my family after this COVID. I'm a recruiter by profession, and then we have a business also. But yes, I'm now, I believe that I'm in safe hands, and with your guidance and with your motivation, I would surely be able to do much in this thing. Thank you so much for your help. Everything from your side is something which is a gift to me. Every time it will come, and I am there to learn and groom myself in all regards. Thank you so much, sir. A lot of respect to you. Lot of love from all here, and I'm feeling short of words to explain what I'm feeling currently. So thank you so much for everything. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for choosing us basically, and it is something which is beyond words and beyond something which I should frame it in words. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Neha. That was great feedback.
Thank you.
And I think all the work that I put in today for the creation of the video is paying off. Like pretty much everybody has a great positive feedback. So Aman Yadav, yeah, you are good to go. You can unmute yourself.
Thank you, Deepak. So I think this, like the whole 2 hours video was really, like really a roller coaster ride, because a lot of things were like not expected from this, like video, like maybe the health part. I was not expecting it today. Like I was just expecting like maybe it would be something around digital marketing. I was not expecting like maybe Deepak will tell me like to eat, don't eat sugar or don't eat packaged food, all that thing. So that was like really really good, because it was like the holistic, as you said, like the success is very holistic. So you need to take steps in every genre of your life. So I think that was the best part. And the point is, there are a lot of motivational videos, but to simplify things,
Yeah.
the best part which I really liked, the whole 2 hours was like simplification. Like you simplified every part of like measuring yourself, like analyzing it, not just like in digital marketing, analyzing your whole finances and everything. So that I think really, the one thing if I would say for the whole 2 hours will be the
Okay.
simplification for the life. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
In fact, everybody who is coming online can go ahead and share one big takeaway from the video. So thanks, Aman, for sharing that. And let's go to page 3 of the video. So 1 second. So Dirshan has been waiting. Where is Dirshan? I can't see him. Yeah, Dirshan, go ahead, unmute yourself.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm fine. Sir, it was a powerful packed 2 hour session and it made my life wholly changed. Like I used to become a 2.0 version of myself, just like Chitti, which he used to become. And you just share all the thoughts like MBTI theory, 22 points of like the emotional strata by Abraham and Esther, like optimism, hopefulness, and gradually the stages go on from bottom to top, and there will and you just connect the dots just like Steve Jobs do. You see the patterns, you see the future, you see the vision.
Fantastic.
Really appreciating it.
Thank you.
Really appreciate it. Wonderful.
Thank you.
So that's all from my.
Fantastic. Thanks a lot. So we will go quickly. I'll just give 30 seconds for each. And I'm at page 3. Show your hand and I will unmute you. All right. So Anuj Chawla, you're good to go. Yeah, Anuj Chawla, please unmute.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi. Thank you so much, Deepak, for all the knowledge you have shared. I want to share something. Long back, I used to crib about my education system that they have not taught us how to live, how to make decisions, how to optimize your lifestyle, how to make money. But this 2 hour session was very enlightenment of everything, like all the factors. And I think this will be a great way to go ahead. So thank you so much for everything, all the efforts.
Fantastic. Thank you. Yeah, Jina Shivakumar.
Yeah, sir, it's Abhigna. So I'm actually a student. I'm still studying. It was really overwhelming. Like I was like, I should make a note of this. Then you said another word. I'm like, okay, no, of this. Like every word was so important, and it was so like I'm so used to watching a lot of stuff. Like 2 hours seemed like 2 hours, but then you told we could take breaks also. I didn't even take a break. Like it went in a flow.
Okay.
There was a lot of unlearning of what I already knew and relating, and it was really informative.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Thanks a lot. Jayant Padi. Yeah.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me? So let me make a confession. I have an entire notebook dedicated to your classes. Like I have subscribed to DMM and Facebook Mastery.
Okay.
But strangely enough, I have taken the most notes today itself.
Yeah. I mean, like with all the content that I have created with all the courses, I think today was the most impactful content that I have created in terms of not just the content topic, but I've also become better in terms of creating content, right? So I kind of structured it in a better way. I made sure that each and every part inside the video also kind of linked to each and every other part, and the entire internship program connects to everything. So here, this internship program is like my one thing right now. I really wanted to make it world class. So yeah. So I hope
that's a really good try, sir. More power to you.
For people who have seen my courses before, I think you're also able to see the kind of change that's there with the kind of content that I create as well, right?
Yeah, I was able to get a job just because of your Facebook Mastery class. That was
fantastic.
Yeah, like an internship position I got a few months back, and that was all because of that particular class. So
okay,
I knew this is more powerful than that, so I just signed up immediately.
Yeah, cool, great, thank you. Tania Chakraborty, yeah.
Yeah, hello, sir. So actually, the biggest learning which I will observe you very closely for these 3 to 4 months is that the way you captivate people, and you arise a sense of curiosity within people, because you know uh, like someone said, I didn't even lose attention from that video in these 2 hours, even though it was such a long video, and it was so well structured point wise and everything, that मतलब कब 2 घंटे हो गए पता ही नहीं चला. So that is the biggest learning, and some points were so relatable, like things like, yes, when we see people younger to us get successful, then we think that we are not doing anything in our life. So such points, some few points are very relatable. So I'm very lucky to have been associated with you, and I hope that I'm sure that this will be a transformation.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. Yeah, let me go to page 2 and see who else is there. Shoaib Ahmed. Yeah.
Hey, hi.
Hi.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Thanks. Very good. Very good. Thanks for the amazing class. I like to pride myself thinking that I'm very, very choice in my words. I don't just throw around the word amazing. A lot of respect to you. You've done an amazing job with the thing. You actually caught me off guard. I was actually eating junk food. I was actually eating murka over here when
while you are watching the video. I am telling that don't eat junk food.
Yeah. That's yeah. I mean,
okay.
I really didn't expect it to. Yeah. I really didn't expect it to go into. It really got emotional towards the end. This whole Corona period, it has been a lot of introspection for me. I've been thinking a lot about my life. Things I've been doing and everything. But then this really, in a weird way, it summed up everything that I thought I understood. It summed it up and put it in a concise manner, which I can gladly go revisit again. I don't think if I had taken notes in the past these many months since lockdown, I wouldn't have done such a good job. So thank you so much for whatever you've done. I think what you did in this one day, preparing for this video, it truly is a culmination of your last 10 or 12 years of this thing. This is the fruition of your effort, I think, and I lot of respect for that. Thank you so much.
Fantastic. Thanks a lot. So we'll just do another 5 calls and then we will call it a day. All right. So Moses Kovela. Yeah.
Yeah, hi Deepak. It was nice to see you in person here, and the session was very interesting, and it made me think a lot. And the topics that you chose to speak on, be it on health, or be it on exercise, or getting yourself to tune for a successful mind set, it was very useful to me, and it was eye opener for me as well. And I'm hoping to continue the things that you have told, and I'm going to implement them from right today itself. It was nice, and thank you very much.
Fantastic. All the best.
Thank you.
Yeah, Krishna Kamble.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah.
I'll directly come to the point, sir.
Sure.
I always knew something is holding me back, and I was not able to find what is that. But after watching today's session, the thing is holding me back is the thought. This thought, something is holding me back, and current version of myself. These two things are holding me back, and now I'm clear about it. Thanks for this session.
Fantastic. Thanks a lot. To the point. So, yeah, Raman Sharma.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. I'm like, to be honest, as you must have, you liked my tweet as well. I have that vision from a very long time. I truly believe in dreaming big. I believe that if you're telling someone your dream and he's replying you that you're a fool, you can't achieve it, you are not dreaming it. right? So I'm now 34-year-old. I guess we are from the same year, and I dreamt like 10 years before that when I reach 34, I'll quit my job. I did not think that what will I do, how would I do, but today I'm amazed that it is happening, and that's what I have thought that okay, in down the line 2 years I'll do that. I don't know how will it do it, how will it be done, but I'm pretty much sure that it will be done. So every chapter or every point you were discussing, I could connect to myself, to my journey from the day one I started working until yet, after 11 years of experience. It was amazing. It was literally amazing. Thanks a lot. Thanks
Thanks
a
a
lot
lot.
for this kind of contents.
Thank you. Thank you. So, Ilika, you're next.
Thank you, sir, for the chance given to me. And right now, it's nothing like I should shake or something like that, but my heartbeats are like boom, 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 boom from inside. Uh, First of all, about your content, sir, it was really great.
Okay.
That was the best for me because I tried many ways to just be to improve my productivity, but then it's like, oh, just drop this plan. So now at least I'll try this one also. I hope it will work with me.
Yeah, it will definitely work.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot. All right, Narottam Das.
Yeah, hi.
Hey.
It couldn't have been anything better start than this. It is really a blockbuster start.
Thank you.
And I'm feeling that it's like an elixir.
Oh,
like you have given medicine to start with, and I am very hopeful that this thing will continue and we all will get benefit out of that, and the success will come on our way. No one is going to stop us.
Fantastic. Thanks, Narottam. Yeah. All right, Archita Ghosh.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, actually, content is wonderful, but I want to say something that your content pushed me to think and rethink all my concepts what I had. And one more thing, that don't bind myself in a limit. People can say me, this is your limit. I can think about beyond the limit. Last, the thing is that generally being a teaching field, I know that teachers are thinking about only what to teach to students, but you guys just thinking about our mental state, physical state, and everything like a guru, proper guru, which you can see in Rabindranath Tagore level. So thank you, sir. Thank you a lot for.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah, Siddharth Wagmare, you are good to go.
Yes, hello sir, Siddharth this side. Actually, I am following you since last 2 years, but I never got chance to be a part of your team because I was busy in some of my work. Today's session, I actually want to thank to you because some of your points which are very, I can relate with that. And I am right now feeling that I have already got my cash back, the fees which I paid.
Oh, wow. Fantastic. So rest of the money you can keep, I guess.
But I think all the industry programs will really motivate me to do well in digital marketing.
Yes.
Some of your points,
just getting started, right? There are 15 more sessions. And,
yes.
I am
actually very much
kind of bring this kind of quality with each and every.
Yes, I have attended some of your seminars which were in Mumbai. So you can check out my this Telegram pic. I have our pics in this display. So I just want to thank to you for this session, and it has been really motivated me in a very big.
Great. So I think Pratik, you are good to go.
Hello. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Thank you very much for this session, and I really respect a lot to you. One learning I would like to say is whatever things that was displayed in this 2-hour session, just one by one, each and every sentence, word to word, just try to implement and take action. That is what is the promise that I'm making for myself and whatever my colleagues. And definitely, if each and every step by step, each and everything, if you think closely and try to relate with yourself and try to improve on that and try to just have an open mind, and whatever learnings from this video, especially from this video, each and everything just implement, and that's it, sir. That is going to be really very very great learning for me, and I'm going to definitely promise myself that all these learnings one by one, step by step, I'm going to implement to change myself. Thank you very much for this session. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Right. Just another 2 to 3 more, then we will call it a day. Try to end it before 12. So who else wants to go? Okay, Abhishek Acharya. Yes, both hands.
So good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening.
I'm just overcoming my lizard brain. Like my heart is been pounding at a faster rate now. Like I did spoke.
Okay.
And I think I'm started becoming 2.0 from now. Like, and I want to say one thing. Like I want to do a business with you, and like we be partners at one day. This one day, will be.
Maybe. Yeah. Why not?
And one thing. So that really matters. Like from where we are learning. Like I used to download a more number of books from net and read it because I not able to buy it. Like it sounds like an excuse to me now. Is that really matter?
Yep.
Like after I'm asking you.
No, I didn't get you.
Like is that really matter from where we are learning? Like I used to download some courses from
It's definitely a source. There is definitely some energy associated with it. At least, empirical evidence is there. You might have kind of found it yourself.
Yes, sir. When
you
send the
something,
PDF,
you will be serious about something. I mean, the amount of money that you pay for a course is going to be nothing if you actually put it into use, right? So it doesn't matter.
yes, and when you sent your PDF, I read it whole on a single day. But when I download many books, which is less pages than yours, I never able to complete it. And I'm not good at English, but I'm trying something new now. And thank you for that.
Fantastic. All right. Shashank, you want to go?
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Actually, I'm a student. I'm studying 12th standard in Bangalore. I'm very much interested in digital marketing and affiliate marketing. So I got referred by my father to you. I like the part where you tell about lizard-minded and human-minded, because humans try to evolve and lizards differ. Thank you, sir.
Fantastic. Thank you. So we'll just go one more, guys, and we have so many more sessions coming up. You will be able to share your feedback there. So Amol Kanase, yeah.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
I know it's too late, and I'll be a last person to talk with you today. And thank you so much to giving this opportunity. Actually, I was never imagined myself in 2.0 version before this 2 hours video. First time I have spent 2 hours continuously in one of the YouTube video, because every time it was like 3 minutes, 4 minutes, or max 10 minutes. What I learned from this video is basically you teach us that don't be multitasking during your work. Be focused. That is more important for me. And last 3 years, I am following you. I have purchased this digital marketing mastery course. So many books, links, and everything I have downloaded. Even yesterday, I was purchased this lead generation course. And I'm really happy that I'm talking with you, and I can't believe myself that it is happening. Thank you so much for such a guidance, and definitely this will help me to improve myself and to become a 2.0 version. Thank you.